Hello, how are you?
Hello, how are you?
What time is it?
What time is it?
Can you help me, please?
Can you help me, please?
I'm sorry, I didn't understand.
I'm sorry, I didn't understand.
Where is the nearest bus stop?
Where is the nearest bus stop?
How much does this cost?
How much does this cost?
Can I have a menu, please?
Can I have a menu, please?
Do you speak English?
Do you speak English?
Could you repeat that, please?
Could you repeat that, please?
Excuse me, where is the restroom?
Excuse me, where is the restroom?
Thank you for your help.
Thank you for your help.
Can I pay with a credit card?
Can I pay with a credit card?
How do I get to the airport?
How do I get to the airport?
What is your name?
What is your name?
Could you write it down for me?
Could you write it down for me?
I'd like a coffee, please.
I'd like a coffee, please.
Can I have the bill, please?
Can I have the bill, please?
I'm looking for a pharmacy.
I'm looking for a pharmacy.
What's your phone number?
What's your phone number?
Is this seat taken?
Is this seat taken?
Can you show me on the map?
Can you show me on the map?
I'll have the same, please.
I'll have the same, please.
How long will it take?
How long will it take?
Can I have some water, please?
Can I have some water, please?
Where can I find a taxi?
Where can I find a taxi?
Can you recommend a good restaurant?
Can you recommend a good restaurant?
Do you have vegetarian options?
Do you have vegetarian options?
Could you speak more slowly, please?
Could you speak more slowly, please?
What does this word mean?
What does this word mean?
I'd like to make a reservation.
I'd like to make a reservation.
Could you help me with this luggage?
Could you help me with this luggage?
Do you have Wi-Fi here?
Do you have Wi-Fi here?
Can I borrow a pen, please?
Can I borrow a pen, please?
What's the weather like today?
What's the weather like today?
I'm not feeling well.
I'm not feeling well.
Where can I buy a ticket?
Where can I buy a ticket?
Can you tell me the way to the station?
Can you tell me the way to the station?
I'd like to order a pizza, please.
I'd like to order a pizza, please.
Can you fix this problem for me?
Can you fix this problem for me?
When does the next bus arrive?
When does the next bus arrive?
How do you spell that?
How do you spell that?
I'd like to book a table for two.
I'd like to book a table for two.
Can you recommend a hotel nearby?
Can you recommend a hotel nearby?
I'm lost. Can you help me?
I'm lost. Can you help me?
Could you please open the window?
Could you please open the window?
What's your favorite food?
What's your favorite food?
I'm running late. Can we reschedule?
I'm running late. Can we reschedule?
Do you have any discounts?
Do you have any discounts?
Where can I charge my phone?
Where can I charge my phone?
How far is it from here?
How far is it from here?
Can you give me directions?
Can you give me directions?
I'd like some information about this place.
I'd like some information about this place.
Can I have some change, please?
Can I have some change, please?
What's the best way to get there?
What's the best way to get there?
I'd like to cancel my reservation.
I'd like to cancel my reservation.
Can I try this on?
Can I try this on?
What size do you have?
What size do you have?
Can I get this in a different color?
Can I get this in a different color?
How late are you open?
How late are you open?
Do you take cash only?
Do you take cash only?
Where can I park my car?
Where can I park my car?
Can I take this to go?
Can I take this to go?
What's the special for today?
What's the special for today?
Can I have the Wi-Fi password?
Can I have the Wi-Fi password?
How do I connect to the internet?
How do I connect to the internet?
Could you call a taxi for me?
Could you call a taxi for me?
I need some help with my bags.
I need some help with my bags.
Can I see the menu, please?
Can I see the menu, please?
What's the exchange rate today?
What's the exchange rate today?
Do you have a map of the city?
Do you have a map of the city?
Can you recommend a good book?
Can you recommend a good book?
Where is the nearest hospital?
Where is the nearest hospital?
Can you fix this for me?
Can you fix this for me?
Could you lend me your charger?
Could you lend me your charger?
How much time do I have?
How much time do I have?
I'd like a glass of water, please.
I'd like a glass of water, please.
What's the name of this place?
What's the name of this place?
Do you know a good mechanic?
Do you know a good mechanic?
I'd like to pay my bill, please.
I'd like to pay my bill, please.
Can I pay in installments?
Can I pay in installments?
Where can I rent a car?
Where can I rent a car?
Can you tell me about the history of this place?
Can you tell me about the history of this place?
What's the opening time?
What's the opening time?
Can I get a refund, please?
Can I get a refund, please?
Do you have any recommendations?
Do you have any recommendations?
Where is the nearest ATM?
Where is the nearest ATM?
Can I join you?
Can I join you?
How do I fill out this form?
How do I fill out this form?
Can I leave a message?
Can I leave a message?
Where can I find the nearest grocery store?
Where can I find the nearest grocery store?
What's the next step?
What's the next step?
Can I speak to the manager?
Can I speak to the manager?
Is there a student discount?
Is there a student discount?
How long is the wait?
How long is the wait?
Can I take your order?
Can I take your order?
Do you have a loyalty program?
Do you have a loyalty program?
Can I have a moment, please?
Can I have a moment, please?
What time does this place close?
What time does this place close?
Can you tell me more about this?
Can you tell me more about this?
What's the cost of living here?
What's the cost of living here?